Hi friends, I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Thanks for watching. Now let's talk about Hydryllin syrup uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Hydryllin syrup is used for cough, wheezing and chest congestion. The FDA approves the formulation for its safety and efficacy. Using the medicine on prescription is recommended as it can cause drowsiness and sedation. Hydryllin contains active ingredients including antihistamines and alcohol that work to reduce symptoms such as cough and allergies. Aminophylline relaxes bronchial muscles, improving airflow. Diphenhydramine counters histamine, reducing allergic reactions. Ammonium chloride acts as an expectorant, aiding mucus removal in productive coughs. Therefore, they offer respiratory relief from the symptoms. The price for Hydryllin syrup 120 ml in Pakistan ranges between 75 and 80 rupees per syrup. The price can vary depending on the manufacturer. Hydryllin syrup is used to treat dry cough and other respiratory symptoms. Its indications include the following. Cough. Hydryllin syrup relieves persistent coughs by soothing the throat and reducing irritation. It also reduces the symptoms of an asthma attack or allergies by acting as an expectorant. It reduces wheezing. It acts as a bronchodilator, helping open the airways and making breathing easier. The syrup assists in thinning mucus, facilitating its expulsion and alleviating chest tightness in chest congestion. It is also helpful in bronchitis. Effectively, it reduces inflammation in the bronchi. Hydryllin can help alleviate bronchitis symptoms. It's also helpful in emphysema. While not a cure, the syrup can ease breathing difficulties associated with emphysema. It's also helpful in allergies. Its antihistaminic properties help counteract allergic reactions, reducing symptoms like itching and wheezing. It's also helpful in hay fever. Hydryllin syrup can alleviate common hay fever symptoms such as runny nose, watery eyes by reducing histamine release. It's also helpful in cold symptoms. Besides cough, the syrup may help alleviate other colds and flu, making recovery more comfortable. To use Hydryllin syrup, shake the syrup well before use. Follow the prescribed dosage and dosing frequency for the syrup. Use the measuring cup or spoon that comes with the syrup. You can also use a dropper to measure the accurate dose. However, avoid using the kitchen spoon for measuring the dose as it can result in inaccurate dosing. Take the syrup orally by mouth. Avoid increasing the recommended dosage of the medicine as it can cause dizziness and drowsiness. The dosage of Hydryllin for each person depends on age, weight and severity of the symptoms. Some of the common side effects that are reported with the use of Hydryllin syrup include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, vertigo, gastrointestinal bleeding, insomnia, headache, anxiety, restlessness, hypotension, palpitations and sedations. If you experience any serious side effects, call your healthcare provider immediately. Hydryllin syrup is not recommended for use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It contains a combination of antihistamines and alcohol, which may result in fetal abnormalities. Data indicates that some of the syrup's ingredients are secreted in small quantities in breast milk. Therefore, avoid using the medicine during pregnancy and lactation without consultation with your doctor. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.